Good morning. Ba't mo naman hindi ano to? Ilogaan mo kung tayo. Ilogaan mo naman yun. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Wolf. Hi, Wolf. Thank you for Merry Christmas advance. Tomorrow is a Christmas. How old are you? I'm 40. 40. 40, ha? Butang mo kuya dito tabi isaksak mo. Salamat. Salamat, Kuya Gab. Cute. Thank you.
Thank you for the watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for
Thank you
subs.
for the follow.
Mm.
Right.
I'm 36. Where are you from, Fabio? Well, where are you from, Well? Hi, Fabio from Brazil. Fabio Lopez. Thank you for the likes. Hello, Trinity Not So Holly. Hello, everyone. Hi. Thank you so much. And if you really are you tall? No, I'm not tall. Look, I'm not tall. Nakatalikod talaga. Just cute, cute, cute height. I mean, cute height. I'm not so tall. I'm some 5'1". Leonard Johnson. Hi, very cute. Mauricio. Hi. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, 12 people. 14. Thank you so much. Like wearing leggings? Yeah. Yes. I like wearing leggings. When I'm doing Zumba, I wear it. Hi, Mauricio. Oh my God. Rodrigo, welcome back. Long time no here. Most beautiful thing. Wow. Good morning. Merry Christmas tomorrow. Thank you for the likes. I was looking into Baguio as it has color weather, but Dumaguete has a large expat community. Ah, Dumaguete. Yeah. Hi, how are you doing today? I'm fine. I know I'm not fine. I'm going to the market. I will buy some for fruit salad. How are you there? Fitness. Fine. It's good fitness here. Charlie Windsor. Hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the likes, everyone here. Thank you so much. Yes. Hmm. Like and subscribe, friends. Okay, please share this out. Thank you, Rodrigo. Wala akong asawa. Bakit lagot ako sa asawa ko? Meron ba? Kinori, hi there. Hi, Kinori. Wow. Wow. What are you writing? I'm writing for the menu. For fruit salad, lumpia. I'm from Northeast India, Maghalaya. Okay. Me, I love not. Good. Pwede. Merry Christmas, Rodrigo. Trinity not so hollow. A blended food for breakfast, and I'm grilling a ribeye steak for dinner. Okay. More likes, my friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. Santa says hello. Hello, Santa. What is your gift for me, Santa? The cat backyard. Actually, from Shillong. Shillong. I get paid tomorrow. I'll come back and tip. Maybe we can see you in some legging shorts. What do you think? Okay, if you have a tip for me, you can, I wear, leggings or shorts. I am from USA. Hi, Spencer Pitch. Me, I'm from Philippines, Trinity, not so holly. Coffee for me, yes. Coffee. Where's my coffee?
Sino man binaba? Oh God.
And if you really love me again, and get you love me harder, 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 love me, love me, love me. I'm from Brazil and Philippines. Patrick Masters. Hi, first time here. I'm from Canada. What part of the Philippines do you live? I live in Bicol Province, Philippines. Sir Patrick. Let's dance. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. And if you really love me, powerful today, yes. Agapito Maderiga. Agapito. William Warren. Kumusta po, gwapa? Okay lang, William. Would you put someone now for a tip? Yeah? You can send a tip first. I will put. Merry Christmas. I love Philippine chick. Really, Canary? Oh, beautiful. Also, my friend, I chat with lives in Manila. Okay. Thank you, Sir Patrick. Are you trustworthy? Yeah. Yes, I am. Send to me through Gcash. By the way, what are you getting for Christmas? I'm preparing for food for the Christmas Eve. I really obsessed with the Asian girl. Really? Kenori, I driving home for Christmas. Hi Nelson. Thank you for the likes. Mm, 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 mm. Hi Beige. Hi Big John. Like and subscribe. Thank you Rodrigo. Golden. Yay. Oh, I available in the bottom corner. Thank you Golden. The first blogger I started watching is Steve Philippines from Cebu. She's really nice. Really? Wow. I'm not from Cebu. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. I have two videos of the mountains here in Colorado, USA. Wow. I'm a nature lover. You're welcome. Thank you, Galen. See you later, girl, cute Filipino. Okay, thank you, Rodrigo, for joining. See you next live. You look so confident. I like your good character. Ah, thank you, Kinori Mitsu Charo. Where are you from? I forget. Always great to see you. Thank you, Rodrigo. I'll be back. Okay, welcome, Brazil. Always. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. If you read message, thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. I thought. Let's see. What should I wear? It's a leggings. Wait. I wear a leggings. Wait. I need to find the leggings. Wait. Maybe send me more. Samar, are you single? I also chatted Elpa Lifestyle from Lapu-Lapu. She has two kids. Oh, and a husband. Wow, that's great. Ah, that's good. I'm bought the leggings for you. And thank you for the sandals. Your wish is my command. Thank you. Well done. My God. And if you really love me, can you get your love me harder, love me harder, love me, love me. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're beautiful. Thank you. You are my beautiful girl. Thank you. Hello, I'm incoming. Onion, Jordan Kiss on hello. Can I? Oh my god, no.
Oh, sinitan niya.
Turn around so we can see. Turn around. Oh, thank you so much. My god. More dollar. Thank you so much. Let's see. Thank you. You will love me. Grabe to. Grabe, para lang sa dollar, no? You killed. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you for the $2. Mga Q sharingan. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Very respectful. Thank you, Golden. Thank you so much, Golden. Oh my God. Thanks a lot, Golden. I really appreciate your protect my channel. Thank you for 16 people and 16 likes. Thank you so much. Wow, so stupid. Oh my God. Most of the popular bloggers are from Toledo City, such as Filipino Wanderer, Filipina Elated, Filipina Unique, The Real, or Country Girl Filipina. Wow. Oh my God. I am like that. Hi, I'm from Australia. Hi, Rican Asia. Thank you for joining, Rican Asia. Hello. Hello from Senegal. Senegal. Noyan, will someone please give me $? I'm subscribed to almost 70 bloggers. Ah, really? Wow, that's good. Me, I subscribe a lot to bloggers. BG Mouse.
Nakadto na ka mo? Mapasabay ako muna sa ano? San sa, bayan, san sa lumpia. San sa lumpia, kay mapagiling pa. Kay para pag ano, ipagiling ko na lang.
Nanaba ka lang.
Ano? Lumpiaan.
Wrapper?
Oo.
Tapos,
Ano ba yan? Nalahating, ano ba yan?
lumpia wrapper, carrots.
Kasi ako na lang ang rapper. May
Ano
mamabugta man ako.
naman ba ka lang?
Gigiling mo ba?
Ay, ang karne. Ay, pagiling mi na diretso.
Ay, pwede ba yun?
Oo.
Ang mga pala.
Tapos, mabakal na sa
Ano
carrots kaya para sa rabay na ipagiling.
Pag una ko, lilimpihan mo na tapos bagay pagiling.
Dito na. Diretso.
Paano ang keros?
Sabay na.
Pwede ba?
Oo. An mapanit na sa, nandito na sa bakalan.
Tama, oh.
Mabakal na
Carrots
muna
lang?
kami carrots. Sa diretso. Oo.
Okay.
Carrots, bawang.
Bawang.
Oo. Maski saro na puso baga.
Mga perada yun.
Dagano na nga ini.
Tama.
300 plus. Ay, pero na kilo.
Kalahati.
Kalahati lang. Dagano na nga na ini. Ini lang. Ayuli ko na lang. Diretso ko na ipagiling.
Oo.
Duwa na carrots.
Mga peraso na rapper.
Saro. Ano daw? Saro na ba? Saro na.
Ayaw din na lang kapadagdag para sa rapper.
Duwa na rapper?
Oo.
Kay
Sige, para ano.
kalahati lang na karne ha.
Oo. Wow, thank you, wow. Back. Don't be such a dumb. Bro, respect her, bro. Don't misuse your money, bro. Thank you. Hi, Big Lon. Merry Christmas, Cheryl. Hi, Big Lon. Welcome back. Is there two of you? Thank you for joining. Welcome back, Big Lon. If you really love me, you gotta get you love me harder, love me harder, love me harder. Magnaldo, hi Magnaldo, you change your pants? Yeah, I change pants quick. Hello Timor, but the ano is not right. It is the from the back, it is the from the right. So that I need to change again. My God. Thank you so much for watching 25 people. I changed with sorry guys. 16 likes. Thank you so much. Are you in Visayas house? No, I'm not in Visaya. I am in Bicol. That's why I ask. That's why I ask Wester to view. Don't forget to double tap your screen and subscribe everyone. Thank you, Beglon. Thank you so much. I'm trying to protect you because I don't want anyone to abuse a girl because me also I'm having sister, that's why I respect you girl. So thank you so much. You know what? I really admire the man that having a respect, the vision of for the woman. Thank you guys. Merry Christmas, Louie. Okay. Thank you for need more likes. Thank you, Golden. But some girls they are misuse themselves. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry man. Ah, oh my god, I feel hurt. Okay, sige. Sige. I've been to the Philippines 3 times in 2025. I love it there. Okay, Rican and Shy. Yes, thank you. We're your Christmas lights. Come here. Kisa ko, Babang. Can you come here na, please? Come here na, Babang. Say hi. Come here. Oh my God, so beautiful. Baby Ash. Baby Ashley. Mm. Say hi. Yeah. No. Is that the bigger? Yeah. Beautiful. At least you're beautiful. Thank you for the likes. Oh my going na. Thank you so much. Yes. She is the big ear. Hello. Such a cute. Thank you, Kinari. What a great mother. No. She's my niece. You already deserve respect. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone here. Thank you, guys. She is playing in something. Turn around. Yeah. They're going to the market with her parents, with her dad and her mom, to buy for Christmas Eve. We cook later for Christmas Eve. That's why I bought the list to buy. I have a fruit salad, pansit, lumpia, fried chicken. Oh my god. The problem is, we need to budget. Golden Pizza, another Dambash person. Golden's a good, my friend here. Thank you for 22 people. Hello, Pote. Hi, Annalyn Maglenti. Hi. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Can I have your Instagram, please? Why? My account, you know what? I'm everywhere. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. I'm back. Sorry, but I'm back now. I am Rika. Hi, Rika. Oh. Thank you, 19 people. 23 likes. Thank you so much. Soon I'm going to the market to buy, preparing for Christmas Eve. Manila. No, I'm not. I'm living in Bicol. Let's see the list. Am I writing the lumpia? For you can't see. So malabo. Blurry. So blurry. Can't. You're pretty. Thank you. Thank you, Dalton. Thank you, 36 people. Oh my God. Meron ka bang WhatsApp? Ma'am, tawagan mo nga ako. Gemini, binibigay akong really. You can send me here this super chats, Ma'am Rika. You are coffee. Drink coffee. Sa Gcash nga lang. Sa Gcash. May Gcash po ako. Sa bio ko po, mayroon po ako dong nilagay na number ko. Sa Gcash, may Gcash number. Wait, you can read that you are. So, Ma'am Rika, may Gcash po ako, may bio ko po. Nanilagay ko po dun yung Gcash number ko. Thank you, Ma'am Rika. God bless you. Oh my God. Who sent? Merry Christmas. Hi, Alex Garcia. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Sir Alex. God bless you, Sir Alex. God bless you, sir. More blessings to come. Merry Christmas. Thank you for the gift. Rodney Marquez. Hi, Rodney. We have $10. $11 now. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, Gordon. My God. Sir Alex Garcia, thanks a lot. Ma'am, paano po kayo nakapagpasok dyan ng CP? My God. Daycare, bawal dito yung may Saltec. Yung hindi related sa ano, wag dito. Wag kang pagala-gala. Ang sa hawla mo. PZ, hi PZ. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. You love me, can I get you love me harder? Love me harder. Love me, love me, love me. Thank you so much, everyone. 26 likes. Thank you. Ano kaya kasi, yan kasi ang naano ng ano, ng yan kasi yung ano ng inggit, pag-inggit. Alam mo yung pag-inggit pikit. Alam mo, pag-inggit pikit. Kapag alam mo yung may nakikita silang na may umaangat, Meron talagang hihila pababa. Meron talagang ganyan, Diki. At Diki, at ikaw, magbanat ka ng buto. Kasi ako, hindi mo ako kilala. No, you know, wag mo akong hinuhusgahan dahil may nagsisend dito sa akin ng gap. Kaya don't me, Diki. Wala akong time sa mga sa mga toxic na people kagaya mo. Wala akong time sa kagaya mo, Diki. Di kita kailangan. Di kita kailangan, Diki. My God. Thank you so much for watching. Salmat. Thank you so much. 27 likes. And if you really love me, can get yata. Ayaw magbanat ng buto. My God. Kung sa pagbabanat ng buto, sumakit na yung mga katawan ko. Mayos ka. Azud, hi beautiful. Oh my God! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, sir. My God. Merry Christmas. Oh, thank you so much po. My God, thank you po. From Canada, Patrick McManus. Sir Patrick, thank you po. Thank you so much, Sir Patrick. 20 po, yes. Merry Christmas, Jeffrey Hans. Thank you so much. Oh my God. 1 million bomb. Yes, 1 million bomb. Thank you so much, Kenori. Kai. Sen? Ano yun? 12? Thank you so much, Sir Patrick. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Alex Garcia, too, also. 1 million bomb. Thank you so much. I will be sure to mention your channel to any of my vloggers friends. Oh, thank you so much, Sir Patrick. Thanks a lot. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much for supporting me. $200 billion pling splang. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Thank you my friends here. Oh my God. What a blessing.
Oh my God, di mo nag-live mo na.
Thank you 18 people. Thanks so much. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, guys. Kenor, Golden, Biglan. What else? Who's here? Patrick, Alex. Thank you so much. And if you really love me, a man got time out. Oh, what? What are you talking about? Ugly stick. Teknolohiya. The technology. Rogerio. Rogerio. Hello, Rogerio. Thank you po. Teknolohiya.
Amelia. Tiyaw.
Oh, yun? Sana na yun?
Tiyaw, marang.
Ano nga din? Tao niya? Ay, body din man yan lang. Thanks a lot. So pretty much like the, thank you, like the,
Mm.
you really love me, peanut butter. Let's eat, guys. Late breakfast. And if you really love me, love me, love me, love me. Harder, harder, harder. Love me, love me, love me. Mm, mm, mm. 4 million dollars. Manifesting $4 million. How I wish, oh my god. I'm so rich.
Wala ko lang ito sa
4 trillion. Oh my god, $1 trillion. The $1 trillion. Mhm. Time Perigo. Rogelio Ferreira Rocha. It's okay, it's alright. When I come there, I will buy only a slipper. At least you buy. At least you have money to buy. Oh my god. Thank you, 16 people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know. Delicious to you.
malamig tubig.
I think you have a friend request on Kinorimitsu Shiro on Insta. And if you really love me, can I get you love me hard? Finland, Kauka Solmilia from Finland. Hi, nice to meet you. Welcome. I'm from Philippines. I'm Filipina from Philippines. Baraliktad na arigato Brazil. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you so much, 33 people. Hit the likes. I'm working extra tomorrow, 12-hour day shifts until 6. It's 8:30 p.m. in Maritime, Canada. We have 12-hour time difference. You are 12 hours ahead. Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Patrick Mac Masters. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the gift. Oh my God. God bless you, sir. God bless you more. Merry Christmas. Take care always. Stay healthy. Health is wealth. Which place has no people? I don't know. Even the mountain. Don't eat too much. You'll get fat if you eat much. It's okay. Getting fat, it's not bad. At least you healthy. If you don't eat, you will get sick. Don't tell her what to do. Warm up. Love me harder. Love me, love me, love me. Love it harder, harder. What? Huh? What? Don't tell her. Oh my god. Why you put him on timeout? What are you doing? If you really love me, let me harder, love me harder, love me harder, love me harder, love me harder. Dun, 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 dun. For the like, thank you so much. Don't matter, just something. Okay. Sorry. Gonna get you love me harder, love me harder, love me harder, love me harder, love me. My God. Hello, beautiful from USA. Hi, Jeff. Hello, Jeff. Thank you for joining here. So, my friend, are you small? How small are you? I'm very small. Too small. Please show me the weather outside. The weather outside is sunny day. But yeah, yep, the outside. The weather now is how are you today? Good day. Today is blessed day because Christmas Eve, busy. The people were busy. Later, I'm going to the market. I will buy. May fruit cocktail ka doon? Kay buko salad ako. May fruit cocktail ka doon? May fruit cocktail ka doon? Kay mabuko salad ako. Ito na ano sa lata namin. Bagan minay mo ako doon dati na. Gatas iba. May fruit cocktail sabi ko nga may pang may pang salad na. Hindi niyo tahal sa senior mo. Sa senyora day. Sa senyora day to hali. Brussels coffee sa Siboriti. I'm moving Philippines in next few months. If you are looking for a boyfriend. No, I'm not looking. Huh? May gulaman. Sige. Hi po, ganda. Hi, Patrick. I recommended your channels to Simply Pinay. She lives in Dumaguete. She's very nice as well. Oh, thank you so much, Sir Patrick. Oh my God. Thank you so much for helping my channel. Thanks a lot. God bless you, Sir Patrick. Merry Christmas. Thank you for the likes, guys. 23 people in the house. I'm doing gulaman. May gulaman. Kaya para din ako magbakal gulaman. You and I. Cause you and Thank you so much. Good. Charlie one side. How small are we talking? Too small. Like I'm slim. My height is 5, flat 5'1". Thank you for the gifter. My gifter for today, Sir Patrick Masters and Alex Garcia. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Thank you for sending the likes.
Ay, wanak race lang siya. Wanak race yung pangalan. Ang kalaban. Wanak na yung dami.
Hoy, very good yun. Nakulog siya ng mga tiyan niya. Di na ako siya magpapakagab ha. Diri ang yanis. Para sa mga mabahoon ba ka o. Dami siya ng chemical na pinatalo. Tapos mo na yan. Diri na lang. Diri na. Tegano sa lang butang na chemical. Ano yun? May laso yun. Bano na nga. Baka lang mga pagkao. Hadi yung ino. May tinapay. Sama. Sama. Ha? Ikaw ka na. Dum 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 dum. My God. Thank you, 21 people. Oh my God. Since you're small, you have a tall family. You have a, yeah. Wait, how tall is 5'1"? 5'1". 5'1". I mean, 5, tapos, and then the comma, sa taas, and that, then 1 centimeter. Oh my God, I'm getting old now. Next year, I'm gold. Thanks a lot, Eden people in the house. Thank you. Why you miss me? Noyon, thank you, Noyon. 23 people in the house. Thank you so much. Since you're small, you have a. I always read. Dun, dun, dun. In a few minutes, I'm going to the market. So, up, ta-da. Down, to the color of the one message. The day you can be too much, so much. So love me like you do, la la. Jim Parker, very beautiful lady. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Jim Parker. Thank you for joining here, Jim, Sir Jim.
Yan, ano na sa lang?
Charlie Wansar, do you have being small or do you want to be taller? I'm happy what I am now. I'm contented what I God
Sino yan siya?
give me like this. My name, my hair, but my hair I want to something a little bit of the dye hair to some little more brown. My body, my skin color. I'm happy my height. It's okay. My height is okay, and then the shape of the body. It's a little bit. It's fine. I'm good. All I want to be is ano, all I want is healthy, no feel sick, living a quality life, quality living, like comfortable life. I eat what I want. I have a beautiful, comfortable home, um, like that. I have my own home. Yes, you are very beautiful. Thank you. What are you gonna store, my friend? Yeah, I'm going to buy for fruit salad. I make a fruit salad. Anyways, I've got a few things to. It was a pleasure to make your acquaintance. Have a nice day and enjoy your stream. Thank you, Sir Patrick McMasters. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Sleep well. Thank you, Sir Patrick. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the gift. 20 Canada dollar. Thank you so much. Gonna get you love me harder. So basically, you're gonna be small for us our lives. Yeah, I want to be like this. Yes. Even if I'm getting old. Yeah. The most important for me is a good person. I'm trying to be that's what is the sense of being having a beautiful be happy with your bird side. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy for that. But I want to enhance, Nina. But it's okay, it's fine. Lol. When you go out to places with friends, since you're smaller, you get mistake for a child when you go to places. I can handle it, Charlie Windsor. I can handle it with the muscles. The joke, it's a joke. So maybe I need to be handled that maybe the most important thing is the how to handle the situation. Not only you having a big big body or having a big muscles, but handle with the good system with good attitude. Yes. What's happening? I'm scared. You're scared. Duh, I'm lost. You lost. You lost. Thank you to the people here now. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I think I sleep a lot last night because yeah, I sleep a lot. More sleep last night. You want to beat people up now. Yep. Oh my god. My father coughing. Thank you for the likes. 40 likes. Thank you so much. 17 people in the house. Thank you so much. You. How many No, I'm not. How I get the pregnant, Ransel? How I get pregnant? Where the sperm from? Oh my god, you're losing my mind. You make me crazy, you know. Holy, 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 jolly, Merry Christmas, all. Merry Christmas. Oh my god, suddenly, I'm the father. What's happening? Oh my god, the eggs are from? Came from? My god, you make me crazy, friends. Yeah. Where come from? The sperm. You make me, you make me crazy about that. If I get pregnant. Oh my god, you're losing my mind. Oh. Since you have been smaller, do you have 12 friends? Yeah, I have 12 friends. But you know what? I am a Filipino, so we're same height. We're same small, same like from roster. Shut up. From roster. I have no roster. The roster is from neighbor. Uh, I'm not married and I'm not available. ZS Sabascuban. Koala chance. What it means, Matthews Magno. I thought open. 25 people in the house. Thanks so much. 43 likes. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Oh my, I have no husband. Oh my god. You losing your mind. You don't know me. Shut up. Hi, Ronald Vives. Thank you. Hi, Ronald. Good morning to you. I know. Good evening to you and morning here. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Your husband watching. Oh my god. Goddess. Husband to be. Good evening and good morning. Yeah, good evening to you and good morning to me. Thank you, Ronel. Minaga.
Ay, mami na hapon na.
O, doon na.
Mama, upod ka si Ashley.
Mama, ginisog sa kita mo, guys. Kaya wala mabantay. Kaya na kami magsari. Kaya mapuro yun na kami. Hindi naman nito.
Okay.
Kaya Ronaldo Franco, hi. Hi friend, I'm single. Okay, if you are single, I don't care. Sorry, joke. It's a joke. So nice to see you here, Lockman. So, what about if you are single, you are looking for... Since you're smaller, do you think I would be taller than you? Yes, I think you're taller than me.
Bye-bye.
Oi, Daniel Sosa. Donnie, hi Donnie. Hello Donnie. Hi beautiful eyes. I need to end the live now. I'm going to the market and after I do live later. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot, Adam Eddie Marco Studio. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Golden. Thank you, the friends here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Hey, beautiful darling. Hi, Donnie. Thank you for joining. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot. See you next live.